Hello again. Now in chapter 4 we are talking about lucky houses and good planets when it's about happiness in your natal chart. In the first place, we can analyze and look in a natal chart to the following aspects. If we have powerful beneficial planets in dignity, if we have beneficial planets on the angular houses, what it means angular houses, first house, the fourth house, the seventh house, and the 10th house. It's very important to have good planets, beneficial planets, not affected by malefics or retrograde planets. Which are malefics? In traditional astrology, they are Mars and Saturn. And retrograde planets, it's important to look especially to the personal retrograde planets, because they are more powerful to affect day-by-day life. Also, moon and sun should be in dignity on angular houses, in the best places that you can find it, and not affected by malefics. If the beneficial planets and sun and moon are weak and in cadent houses, and malefics are powerful, then it means that that person will have a big fight to find his happiness. When we are talking about good planets, benefics, we are thinking about Venus, the small benefic, and Jupiter, the great benefic. Also, the happiness is favored also by a very powerful and rational mind that can give you balance, honesty, and good judge. And these all should be in balance with your emotions. And this, you can find it in an antique and medieval astrology. If you analyze Mercury, that gives you information about your rational mind and thinking, and the moon, that is talk about and shows irrational emotions. Ptolemy used to find Mercury and moon. Abu Ali al-Khayyat used to find Mercury. Schener, Mercury and moon, and their dispositors, governors. William Lilly put the accent to Mercury more than the moon. You have to keep in mind that Mercury and moon, they are not indicators for personality or character. They describe mental equilibrium, native mental equilibrium, and harmony. So it's about the native, how you are born. If Mercury and moon are powerful, good placed, and well aspected, the native has a very good mind, and he's optimistic, calm, and very balanced in his emotions. If moon and Mercury are weak, bad placed, or not very good aspected, it means that the thinking is very complicated, emotions are very, let's say, unbalanced, and the native shows instability, mental instability and emotional instability. And this is very hard in these conditions to attain a balance or even happiness. Also, to attain your happiness, you have to see in your natal chart the indicator of the profession. The quality of action, it's a technical described in TETRA BIBLOS, the 4th book, where Ptolemy identify the profession or professions that are the best for the native. Ptolemy think that indicators for main profession, could be Mercury, Venus and Mars. You should see which of these 3 planets are the most powerful, where they are placed, if they are placed in angular houses, and which is its nature, the aspects, and what kind characteristics or abilities gives to the native. For example, let's take Mercury, because if Mercury governs action, makes the native able to speak very well, to learn very easy, to make business, to count the money, other people's money, to become good teachers, traders, bankers, astrologers. Generally, it's about the handling of documents, important ones, and to exchange information, money, whatever, to give and to take. If Saturn make an aspect with the Mercury, these people will be very good administrators of properties, other people's properties. Maybe they will work in temples, the priests. If Mercury is very good aspected by Jupiter, they could be very good lawyers, speakers, philosophers, and they will have good position in society. Put in your mind that to be happy is not a permanent situation. You need to be very balanced and to be efficient, to use less to be happy. Doesn't mean that if you have a lot of money and a lot of friends and whatever, all kind of a lot things, it means that you are happy. Also, doesn't mean that if you are poor and weak and you have a lot of disease, you are happy. So it's about balance here. I wish you to be happy. Have a nice day.